Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Watanabe show. My name is Princess Cresta, and today we have Kura along with us. So, without further ado, first we are going to play trades today, and then we will be moving to the news part. Yeah, Kura, what are we doing?
That fizzled at 7.
Yeah, and
The rally fizzled. Actually, it was 760 flashed.
yes,
Then now it's flat. Okay, what is the high of option? Is it 760 or?
yeah, I
759?
was 759,
Yeah, put limit at 765.
765. Sure. Okay. So, you
Actually,
have
we're expecting a 150 point rally. I mean, 0.5%, 0.6%. So 40,000 into 0.6% is
40,000 into 0.610.
or 200 points. So just to be on the lower end, I'm expecting a rally of 50 points, which translates to 75 in the 41,500 call. That's what I'm planning, like 720 plus 50 points, or 770 or 765. Yeah, but we're not following S&P rally. The RBI meeting would be at 11 o'clock, the decision. So the price has to hit before 11 o'clock, Afterwards, it would be a bit messy.
Kura, it's at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, okay. And then before 10 o'clock. So we don't have the luxury of logging in again at 10 o'clock or at 9:55. So the viewers basically need to log in at 9:55 and get out whatever the price is at that time. Afterwards, it's going to be very messy. You can't handle it. Actually, it's back up. Right?
Yeah, it is going up.
Yeah, put a limit at 750. Change it to 750. So viewers basically need to.
Kura, we lost you.
No, put at 751. 750.
751.
Actually, it's now dropping. Coming, just a minute.
Yes. I think it will go up.
What happened? 751 flashed on.
No, it didn't. Done.
They're trading at a little wide spreads today. 3 points. But anyway, so something is better than
Nothing.
Still say 800 maybe on the cards before 958. If he puts a favorable commentary. But I don't think he puts any commentary, I'd say just 25 bips hike and then move on. You can go to the news, yeah.
Yeah, sure. So in global market updates, we have is US futures is lower after cash market ends in green on Tuesday. US market ends higher. Nasdaq is up by around 2% as investors mull versus US Fed's Powell's comment.
Yesterday was a very violent market in US. I haven't seen a market like that in recent memory. Probably in 2015 August I would have seen like this. No volatility estimate would have captured the volatility measure of yesterday. So it opened flat. Actually, it opened down some 10 points, and then rallied all the way to 460. Then down, printed negative, then up, and closed 50 points. So if you're just looking at close to close, it looks like a 50-point up move. But you can see the intraday chart.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, the high printed twice, low also printed twice. Something like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what Powell said is they're going to be hikes, but the Fed funds are not buying into that. So you can see CME watch tool. Go to CME watch tool.
Yeah.
It to December end plot. Come down.
Yep.
Right now the target rate is 450.
Mm-hmm.
Go to December. This is March meeting.
December 23.
Yes.
Okay.
So it didn't change. It changed. Where are you now? Are you in December or in March?
Yeah, December.
Put the plot, dot plot chart. On the left, dot plot chart.
Okay.
So right now we are at 450. The chart is telling it's going to settle at 525. That blue is Fed's projection. Red is market projection. So market thinks Fed is bluffing. Just check, am I correct? Blue is Fed and red is market.
Mm.
Yeah, down it would be written.
Down. Blue dots indicate the median projection.
Red is the market rate.
Yeah.
So there won't be two hikes as per the market. So we'll settle at 475 after the March hike. Jerome Powell is telling there will be two hikes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Market can't be wrong. So, and also it's very tricky situation for him because job market is very bright and inflation is also at a higher level. Nobody would have seen this kind of market. So it's a bit confusing. So we don't know when we are going to resolve. Till June, probably. The market would be gyrating like this. So after June, probably we get a clarity. We can move to the news.
Yeah, sure. Moving towards the Indian ADR, we can see that all the Indian ADRs are up, highest by Dr. Reddy's, which is at 2.38%. In stocks to watch, we have in news is the Vodafone Idea. The company allocated 16.13 crore shares to the government in lieu to conversion of interest dues from deferment. And then we have is ONGC in news. So the company interacted with global oil majors for exploration ventures in deep waters of India at the India Energy Week.
That's happening in Bangalore.
Okay.
The summit.
BSC is in news. So the stock exchange will divest 2.5% stake in CDSL to meet regulatory shareholding norms. And PC Jeweler is in trouble. So 4 more banks, that is IDBI Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of India, and Karur Vysya Bank have issued loan recall notices against the company. RVNL has again bagged a project worth 69.48 crores. Then in earnings we have is Bharti Airtel in news. So the revenue is up by around 4% and net profit is down by 26%. However, average revenue per user is up by around 1.63%. GlaxoSmith Pharmaceuticals, the revenue is down by 2% and net profit is up by around 9%. Adani Green Energy, positive news here. We can see that revenue is up by around 40%. And net profit is up by around 110%. Everready Industries, the revenue is up by 1.39%, but net profit is down by around 77%. Hero MotoCorp, good results, I would say. Revenue is up by
Actually
around
flat. Revenue is not growing. Yeah.
Yeah. But slight positive news here is the board has approved an interim dividend of rupees 65 per share. Deepak Nitrite, the revenue is up, but their profits are shrinking. NHPC, we can see that the revenue is up, and again here also the net profit is down, but the board has declared approved dividend of 1.4 per share. Then we have a news is Thermax. The revenue is up. Net profit is also up for this company. Navin Fluorine, good result, stellar results, I would say. The revenue is up by around 48% and net profit is up by around 54%. In earnings today, we have is Adani Wilmar, Shree Cement, Godrej Agrovet, and so on. In trading tweaks, we have is ex-date interim dividend for Aarti Drugs, Anupam Rasayan India, Coal India, Kajaria, PNG Hygiene, and so on. Insider trades, these are the stocks that you can watch on screen.
What is that Chris Corp? How much he bought?
He bought 5 lakh shares.
Where is he getting money? How much is that deal?
Yeah.
So it's almost 20 crores.
Yeah. Yes.
And where is he buying? A 1 year chart? Is it at the bottom or?
No, he bought it on 3rd Feb.
No, 1 year, put 1 year chart.
Yeah,
So he's trying to buy bottom picking.
Yes.
And I think he's going to be right. You can buy this stock. Because he's putting large sums. There was another deal by him a month back or so, right? Which we mentioned.
Yes, we did.
And that was also a big block, something like 20 crores or whatever. Yeah, if you follow him, if you trust him, you follow. Why?
Yes, God.
Story over for Capit.
Capit Technologies, yes. Promoter has sold around 15 lakh shares.
And that too, it's a lady, she knows best.
Anupama Patil.
What's the price?
Yeah.
15 lakhs.
Yes. Somewhere around 785.
150 crores. 100 crores. Then
Yes. Then we have in news is in money market update, we can see that the rupee closed higher against the US dollar at 82.70 on Tuesday. And in FNQs, we can see that FIs continue to sell in the cash market. FIs have sold around 2,259 crores, whereas DIs have bought 639 crores. FI and derivatives, they have gone long in index futures and options. And overall, there is a notional addition of around 10,307 crores. So that's it in the.
what is that IKEA news?
Sorry?
Just above IKEA.
IKEA.
Discount.
Selective articles. By 16 to 39% in India.
But what articles?
Discount on products, sort of, yes.
Okay, so they're reducing the prices.
Mm-hmm.
Not an inventory sale. All right, where's the market now?
Yeah. 17,820.
Yeah, we didn't lose much. It's the same, like 6 rupees is what we lost.
Yes.
Actually, 765 we should have stuck.
Yes.
765. Yeah.
Or we shouldn't have changed the limit.
Yeah, but the strange thing there is Nifty is rallying, but Bank Nifty is not following the footsteps. All right. I'll see you in the evening. Let's see.
Yep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, everyone. Have a good day.